Hello guys, welcome to Sub YouTube channel. If this is the first time of watching our channel, please do well to subscribe to our channel and also share our videos. Subscribing to our channel will enable you to get our news notification day by day. Okay, we are still here to review concerning pay to play. Pay to play here is getting out of hand. They posted this yesterday that wondering how to get started with pay to play. Take a look at your quick start checklist. Click the link in our bio to learn more. Guys, there's nothing to learn more about these people. Please refrain from them. If you see from here, this emoji here, they annoy people that are angry with them. They are much. People that are not pleased with them, they are so much. Some are coming here to review that I'm enjoying this, so very interested. I love it. 11 hours ago. You see another person will go there and say, have you cashed out? Okay, this is their official page. Okay, said I love it if I can truly cash out. Okay, very interested. You see, when you said very interested, people will go in and react. Said have you cash out? Interesting, fun and easy app to use 2 hours ago. Very nice, very nice. The experienced one will see ask, have you cash out? Why they're asking is because they have been in the business for like 2 to 3 weeks, so they had the experience. That's why they're asking, because you see here with sad emoji that they are not happy with the platform. This is a sign. Okay, so the newbie, as you expecting or thinking or suggesting or having it in mind that this platform is real, 100% this thing is not real. Okay, don't waste your precious time to do all these tasks. Say get your first play tax, start, screenshot a share photo. All these are fake. You see the first one here, the process was November 1st at 6:16 p.m. Okay, these guys, their followers are growing every day because of ignorance. As we are watching this video, I think we've give you the comprehensive review of pay to play, that they are not legit but chronic scam. Okay, don't just waste your time. Thank you for watching. Please share this video, like this video, and comment on this video. Have a blessed day. Bye bye.